as someone who values her alone time a lot, I don't want to be in a situation where I lose time for myself just because I'm spending it mostly with my partner. Like, don't get me wrong. I love my partner, but I also love my alone time. I can't function as a human being if I don't have my alone time. And sometimes people are just built that way. Like, 'di ba sabi nga, you can't pour from an empty cup. So, ano pa ang ibibigay ko sa inyong lahat kung ubus na ako, char. Pero yun yung gist niya. You can't pour from an empty cup. So, you have to practice the art of detachment. It's not it's not being stoic or being indifferent to your partner. It's just practicing being your own person while in a relationship.